In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suggest a language to Duolingo. Duolingo no longer uses the old public incubator, and there is no official request form, but you can still share your ideas directly with their team by using the options that are available inside the app or website. First, open Duolingo. On a phone or tablet, tap the Duolingo icon and wait for the home screen with your lessons and streak to load. On a computer, you can open your browser and go to Duolingo, then log in if you are not already. Make sure you are in the account where you actually study, so your suggestion comes from a real learner profile. Once Duolingo is open, click the More icon. On mobile, this is usually at the bottom of the screen alongside Home, Learn, or other tabs. The More icon often looks like three dots. When you tap it, a new menu slides up or opens, showing several options related to your account and support. From there, tap Help. In the More menu, you should see Help listed among the options. Go ahead and tap Help once. After you tap it, Duolingo opens a page that focuses on questions, troubleshooting, and ways to contact support, so you are moving into the area where feedback lives. Now visit the Help Center. Depending on your device, you might be taken there automatically or see a button that says Help Center that you can tap. The Help Center usually opens in your browser and shows different topics, like account, subscriptions, and technical issues. This website is where Duolingo collects most reports and suggestions from learners. Next, submit a support request or feedback. Look for a button or link that mentions submitting a request or contacting support. On many versions, this appears at the top or bottom of the Help Center page. When you open it, you will see a form with fields for your email, the type of issue or feedback, and a message box. Choosing a general feedback or something similar helps route your suggestion correctly. In that form, enter the language you would like to see added. Type the exact language name so it is clear, for example, a regional variant or a less common language. Put the language name in either the subject line or at the very start of your message so staff can instantly see what your request is about when they scan through submissions. Then explain why it would benefit learners. Use the main message box to share short, concrete reasons. You can mention how many people speak the language or that there are very few free learning resources. You might add whether you are learning it for travel, family, work, or heritage. Specific details help the team understand real demand, and they can compare that with other requests they receive. Finally, submit your request. At the bottom of the form, tap the button to send it. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message or email that your request was received. Duolingo usually does not reply personally about new language suggestions, but your idea is now stored with other feedback for their internal planning. You have now used the Duolingo Help Center to submit a clear suggestion for a new language course, adding your voice to what they consider next. If this walkthrough helped you share your language idea, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more quick Duolingo guides.